What happens when one of America's toughest and most trusted vans is transformed into something that feels part limousine, part luxury apartment, and part long-distance travel machine? Today, you're about to discover exactly that. And this is not your average camper build. Welcome to JB Motorhomes, the channel where we go far beyond surface-level reviews. Here, we break vehicles down from the road presence to real-world ownership value. In this video, you're getting a full deep dive into the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. We'll explore its exterior design, luxury interior, performance, technology, safety, long-term value, and finally, the pricing that brings everything together. Make sure you watch until the end, because the final section on cost, ownership, and return on investment might completely change how you view luxury road travel. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. At first glance, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper doesn't beg for attention, it commands it. The familiar Savana silhouette remains, but it's been stretched and refined into something far more commanding. The extended body gives it an executive presence, while updated aerodynamic panels subtly improve efficiency without compromising toughness. Up front, LED matrix headlamps with a custom light signature flank a wider, bolder grille. Satin-finished aluminum accents add a premium touch, blending GMC's industrial roots with limousine-level sophistication. Along the sides, deep blacked-out windows immediately stand out. These aren't just aesthetic, they're UV-filtered, privacy-tinted, and smart glass-enabled, adjusting automatically based on sunlight intensity to keep the interior cool and discreet. At the rear, tall vertical LED lighting frames the tailgate, giving the Savana a modern, upscale finish that looks just as good parked curbside in the city as it does at a remote rest stop. Step inside, and the outside world fades away. The interior of the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is where functionality meets indulgence. The layout is customizable, but the version we're showcasing centers around a luxury captain's lounge designed for both relaxation and social travel. 6 premium leather reclining seats face inward, creating a true limo-style environment. Each seat features individual heating, cooling, and massage controls, allowing every passenger to dial in their own comfort. Overhead, ambient RGB lighting flows across the ceiling, fully adjustable in color and brightness to match your mood, time of day, or destination. Entertainment is taken seriously here. A massive 48-inch OLED display folds down at the touch of a button, paired with a Dolby Atmos surround sound system that turns the cabin into a private cinema on wheels. Underfoot, bamboo-infused vinyl flooring delivers durability and water resistance without sacrificing warmth or comfort, ideal for long journeys. And yes, this Savana is built to live in. A compact kitchenette includes a dual-burner induction cooktop, microwave, mini fridge, and integrated sink, making off-grid meals easy and convenient. Behind that, the camper module reveals a smart folding bed system, blackout curtains for complete privacy, cedar-lined storage, and depending on your build, either a composting toilet or a compact wet bath. This isn't just luxury you can see, it's comfort you can feel in every surface, seat, and detail. Luxury means nothing if the van can't perform, so let's talk about what's under the hood. Powering the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is a reworked 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, producing 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic transmission, optimized for smooth highway cruising and confident climbing on steep grades. Despite the added weight of the limo and camper conversion, the Savana remains surprisingly responsive. GMC's heavy-duty suspension has been retuned with adaptive shocks and rear air leveling, ensuring stability and comfort even on uneven roads. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a vehicle of this size and purpose, averaging around 17 miles per gallon on the highway, with slightly lower numbers in mixed driving. This isn't a speed machine. It's built for calm, commanding travel that absorbs miles effortlessly. Technology plays a huge role in making this vehicle feel truly modern. The Savana runs on GMC's latest infotainment architecture, blending driver assistance with full camper automation. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering navigation, diagnostics, weather data, and vehicle monitoring. A secondary rear control panel allows passengers to adjust lighting, climate, entertainment, and even window opacity from the cabin. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with an integrated 5G hotspot and voice-activated smart assistant. Whether you're streaming, gaming, working remotely, or monitoring solar charge levels, everything is just a tap or voice command away. Power comes from a dual lithium battery system supported by rooftop solar panels, with an optional underbody generator for extended off-grid use. This is a system designed not just to assist, but to anticipate your needs. When it comes to safety, GMC equips the Savana like a rolling fortress. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward and reverse automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts. The extended chassis incorporates rollover mitigation technology and real-time traction monitoring, keeping the vehicle stable even on slick or uneven terrain. A full 360-degree camera system with obstacle mapping makes parking surprisingly easy, while a driver fatigue monitoring system helps ensure long-haul journeys remain safe and stress-free. Now let's talk about the part everyone waits for: pricing and value. The base 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper starts at $98,000. But realistically, very few buyers will stop there. Once you add the full camper conversion, luxury seating packages, advanced tech upgrades, and off-grid power systems, most builds land around $135,000, with premium custom configurations pushing close to $160,000. That may sound steep until you consider what you're getting: a luxury hotel suite, a mobile office, a high-end entertainment lounge, and a proven GMC drivetrain all in one vehicle. From a long-term perspective, this platform holds its value better than many traditional RVs, thanks to its durability and demand across both personal and executive transport markets. Whether you're a digital nomad, luxury chauffeur, content creator, or someone who simply values freedom without compromise, the reduced lodging costs and flexibility can pay off within 3 to 5 years. In many regions, it also qualifies for RV registration, potentially offering insurance and tax advantages depending on how it's used. So what gives the Savana Limo Camper an edge over rivals like the Sprinter or Transit? It's simplicity paired with muscle. While others lean heavily into complex systems, the Savana remains intuitive, serviceable, and built for real-world reliability. It may not chase European styling trends, but it delivers unmatched comfort, presence, and confidence on the road. So, does the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper live up to the hype? It bridges two worlds: luxury and utility, technology and tradition, comfort and capability. It can be a sanctuary for travelers, a mobile office for entrepreneurs, a family escape pod, or a private retreat on wheels. If you crave the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort or control, this might just be your next home on wheels. If this deep dive helped you see road travel differently, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us here on JB Motorhomes for more honest, long-form automotive insights. Drop your questions, build ideas, or dream setups in the comments. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your adventures rolling. Safe travels.